Excited is an understatement when I want to describe how I feel teaching you guys this dish. It is so delicious, very quick, and very easy. And I used zero pepper mix. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious dish. And hey, beautiful people, and you are welcome back to the Nikki Olori Cooks YouTube channel.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, please do not forget that the full recipe is going to be down in the description box. So just check it out in case you want to replicate this. I made this rice as a mashup between egg fried rice, which is more Asian, and jollof rice, which is more African. And I just made that mashup. So I came up with this delicious thing that actually was breathtaking when I ate it. So I'd really advise you all to make this recipe as well. So here I'm prepping my ingredients, my veggies, scallions, green peas, onions, carrots, garlic cloves, and ginger, because this is what we're going to be adding to the rice. So here I'm just cutting the sausages. I used about 7 sausages, but you can use as much as you want. So here we're just going to start sauteing the onions. And so okay, we'll start with the onions, then we just keep sauteing everything. We'll saute everything, and with the garlic and the ginger. Now, why I added the garlic and ginger after the onions is because the garlic and ginger cook, or they toast up quicker, because they have a smaller, they are smaller, so it's easy to get them burnt. So that is why you just let them, you just stir them, let them heat up for just a little bit. If not, they're going to, if not, if they burn, they are going to completely destroy the dish. So be careful of that. So here I'm just adding the oyster sauce and the soy sauce. Yes, you can skip oyster sauce and soy sauce, but it honestly will not be the same. But you will get a really nice result as well. So honestly, this is basically almost, we've reached almost more than half of the dish already. Very easy, very simple. And please, this dish is customized. This is easily customizable. So you can just, add, you can change the protein, you can change the veggies, you can do as anything that you want. So here I just added the cooked rice. And what you want to do is that you want to make sure that every rice, each individual rice, is coated very well. And another one is that we add margarine into it. Why we add margarine into it is just to give it some shine. And you stir again and again and again until you are sure that each of the rice is coated well. Then here I'm just adding the fried plantain, and I'm just stirring it in. So basically, this is all. Honestly, this is everything. This is all. That's all. So quick, so delicious. You'll be able to make this thing within 30 minutes, and you're done. So that's all, guys. Please make sure you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more things, please let me know, and I will make them as soon as I can. Well, that is all, guys. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.